How to delete your Phantom Wallet account. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can delete your Phantom account permanently. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet application. Here on the home page, you will be able to find this gear icon or this settings icon. So you simply need to tap on it and then you will be landed on this settings page. Now over here, you will be able to see the security and the privacy option. So here you need to tap on the reset app and then you need to tap on the continue button. Here you will be able to see this prompt that says this will remove all of your existing accounts and data. So make sure that you have your secret phrase and private key backed up. So if you don't want to recover your Phantom wallet again in the future and you are certain of it, then you don't need to actually get your secret phrase and private keys. So you don't need to just back up it and you just have to reset it, and this way you will be able to delete your Phantom account permanently. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.